Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, madame.
Comment allez-vous? D'accord.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Good
Good afternoon.
Bonjour, ma'am. Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, dear.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour,
D'accord.
madame.
Bonjour, dear. Okay. Yes, mute everyone.
Bonjour, madame.
And those who join, please keep your cameras on. Everyone, keep your cameras on. Okay, children, you remember what we learned in the previous class? We learned accents, right? How many accents we learned till now? Now, how many accents we learned till now? 3. Laxo ague, laxo gra, and circumflex, right? How was the circumflex symbol?
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, dear. How was the circumflex symbol? See? Wait. Yeah. Circumflex symbol is like this. Small cap like symbol. And you can see this laxo circumflex symbol along with which all letters? With
A, E,
I, Trebia. A, E, I, O, and U. You can see this laxo circumflex symbol with along with all the vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and when laxo circumflex comes, you don't have to worry at all because the pronunciation of these alphabets will not change. Only one small change with letter E when comes. Okay, so when E comes along with laxo circumflex, pronunciation will change to A. Will change to A as an English alphabet sound. A. Otherwise, there won't be any change in pronunciation when laxo circumflex will come. And we learned few examples also. First one is foray. F-O-R-E-T. Qu'est-ce que c'est foray? Qu'est-ce que c'est foray? What is foray? Forest. Très bien. Foray, c'est forest. Foray means forest. Ensuite, l'autre exemple, c'est hôpital. Qu'est-ce que c'est hôpital? Hospital. Très bien. Hôpital, c'est hospital. Hospital. Très bien. Ensuite, l'autre exemple, c'est hôtel. Qu'est-ce que c'est hôtel? Hotel. Hostel. Très bien. Hotel or hostel. Donc, l'autre exemple, c'est fête. Qu'est-ce que c'est fête? Qu'est-ce que c'est fête? Fête. Très bien. Qu'est-ce que fête means? Fest, feast or feast. Okay. Now I am going to mute everyone. Yes. So we learned 3 accents, laxo circumflex, laxo grave, and laxo ague. Now today we are going to learn the 4th accent. Before that, everyone keep your books closed. Textbook, rough book, everything, keep it close. Keep your pencils down. Keep your pencils down. Later, I will give you time to write. I will give you time to copy the words. Okay, now everyone, close your books. Close your books, everyone. Yeah, Devarsh and Shankar, do you have any doubt? Otherwise, just remove that hand raise symbol from there. Remove that hand raise symbol from there, Devarsh and Shankar, yes, remove that hand raise symbol. Okay, fine. So today we are going to learn the 4th accent, and the name of that accent is say deal. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Répétez means to repeat. Say deal. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Say deal is the accent. The name of this accent is say deal. And how is the symbol? How is this accent? See here, everyone. Like this. The symbol is like this. Half of 5. How are you writing 5? Like this, right? Yeah. So remove this upper part. Désolé moi. Yeah, like this you will get. Okay, so this is how we write say deal accent. I can see the hand raise symbol for Ishan, Krishna, and Fardeen. You have any doubt because of that? Okay, Ishan is having doubt. Yes, Ishan, tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes.
First word that must only.
First word.
Hospital, hotel.
Yeah, that much only. You don't have to write that. That was in the previous class. Feth also I gave. Feth also I gave.
Okay,
Fardeen,
ma'am.
any doubt, dear Fardeen?
I not see, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Fardeen, any doubt?
First read.
This one, Seydil.
Seydil. Okay.
Seydil. First one pronunciation is Seydil. Seydil is the accent. Seydil is the name of our fourth accent. Seydil is the name of our fourth accent. Seydil. And in the bracket is written the accent. That is how we write that accent. Okay. Seydil. Repeat it, s'il vous plaît. Seydil. Repeat, everyone. Seydil. And this Seydil accent, you can see with only one letter. You can see it only with one letter. That is letter C. That is letter C. And just write C. Below C, just put the symbol like this. Okay? C, along with C, you can see Seydil accent. And when Seydil accent comes, the pronunciation of letter C will be Sir. Pronunciation of letter C will be Sir. Repeat, s'il vous plaît. Sir. And in a word, when you see Laxo, Seydil with C, after this C, you can see either letter O or letter A or letter U. Any of these three letters, you will be able to see after this C, like this. C-O. C-A, C-U. Okay, like this you will be able to see after the C either O or A or U. And how is the sound? So, sa, say. Repeat, everyone. Look at the board. So, C-O will be so. Repeat. So, sa. CA will be sa, and su, and su. CU will be su. So, sa, su is the sound. These are the sounds. And we are going to see few examples. So, with letter say O, we have le garçon. Le garçon. So, what is garçon? Qu'est-ce que c'est garçon? Garçon means boy. Garçon means boy. You don't have to write now. Just listen and repeat after me. Le garçon. The ending letter N here will be silent. The ending letter N will be silent. Garçon. Nasal sound. Garçon. Garçon. D'accord? Garçon. Yes, Ishan dear, tell me, what's your doubt?
These letters write what?
Pardon?
C-U, C-A, C-U.
Okay, I will explain once again. So this is Seydil accent. So this Seydil accent you can see with only one letter. That is letter C. That is letter C. And after this C with Seydil, you can see any of these three letters. A O or A or U. In a word, when you see Laxo, Seydil, C, there after that C, you can see any of these three letters, either O or A or U. Those three letters, any of these three letters you will be able to see. And after that, we saw one example with letter C-O, that is le garçon. Repeat, everyone. Le garçon. And garçon means boy. Garçon means boy. Repeat, everyone. Le garçon. Fardeen? Fardeen, look at the screen. Yeah. Repeat, everyone. Le garçon. Wait. Now, second example, that is la leçon. La leçon. Qu'est-ce que c'est leçon? Qu'est-ce que c'est leçon? Who can say? Qu'est-ce que c'est leçon? Prithvi? Qu'est-ce que c'est lesson? Lesson. Très bien. Lesson means lesson. Lesson number 1. Lesson number 2. Très bien, Prithvi. Ensuite, so, répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. La leçon. La leçon. Shankar, repeat. Fardeen, repeat. La leçon. I can see everyone here. Okay. La leçon. See, yeah, Ivan and Ivania, you don't have to write now. Just look here. Abel, stop writing. Abel, what did I told you? You don't have to write now. I will give you time to write. Repeat, okay? Repeat after me. Le garçon. Le garçon. Repeat. Le garçon. No one is moving their lips. I can see here. La leçon. Okay, so these are the 2 words we saw for avec letter CO. Now, with the letter CA, we have ça va. This one we already learned, no? Ça va. What is ça va? When I am asking you the question, comment allez-vous? You are replying, right? You are replying. What is so ça va? What is the meaning of ça va? Ça va, what is the meaning of ça va? No one? Okay, Prayaga, tell me, Prayaga, what is ça va?
Fine.
Fine, très bien. Ça va means okay or fine. Ça va means okay or fine. Très bien, Prayaga. Ça va means okay or fine. L'autre exemple, c'est français. Français. Qu'est-ce que c'est français? Qu'est-ce que c'est français? Français. Yes, Prayaga. Tell me. Français means?
France.
Français, France? No, français is not France. Français is? Okay, Prithvi, tell me. Français is? Prithvi, tell me. Français means?
Français means French.
French. And I know you are getting answers from your sister.
What? I am not telling.
Okay, fine. So, français is friend. Français is a friend. Français means friend. The subject we are learning now. Français. Répétez s'il vous plaît, tout le monde. Français. Français. I want everyone to repeat. Please do repeat, okay? The more you repeat after me, the pronunciation will be clear for you. That is why I'm continuously saying you to repeat. Français is French. Now, we are going to learn one word with letters CU. That is le reçu. Le reçu. And reçu means receipt. Reçu means receipt. Receipt. Now, what is this receipt? Receipt. Who can say what is receipt? What is a receipt? That is an English word actually. Receipt. Yeah, Prithvi, then tell me, what is receipt? What is receipt?
Receipt means we will go in shopping and we get bill.
Yes, right, Prithvi, you are right, Trebia. Receipt, when we go to shop and buy something, we'll pay money and we will get a bill. The amount, this much item, amount is paid for that. So that amount that will be shown there. That is receipt. Okay. So everyone, please do repeat after me. Le garçon. Le garçon. La leçon. Ça va. Ça va. Shiza dear, please do repeat. Ça va. Français. Français. Le reçu. Hala, please do repeat. Le reçu. One more time. Le garçon. La leçon. Ça va. Français. Le reçu. D'accord? Now everyone, please take your rough book. I will write these words once again. Take your rough book, everyone, and copy the words to your rough book. So this is accent is say deal, and the symbol is like this. You will be able to see with the letter C, and the pronunciation will be S. D'accord? An example say le garçon. Garçon means boy. Le reçu means receipt. Then la leçon means lesson. Then ça va. Ça va. Ça va are two different words. Ça va are two different words. Ça va means okay or fine. Then français. When you write français, please do write the first F in small letter. Français, when you write, first letter F will be in small letter. And when you write in English, you have to write the F in capital letters. Just copy this way itself. F, French, when you write French, capital letter F. And when you write in French, word français, when you write, you have to write the small letter F. Meanwhile, please copy this, everyone. Meanwhile, I'll be taking attendance. Dakko, Abhinav, read. Unmute and read. Unmute, dear. Okay, I muted. Fine. Sorry. Désolé, moi. Oui, Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui.
Legarcon.
No, I don't want that. You don't have. I don't want you to read the letters. How will you read in word? Le garçon.
Le garçon. Boy.
Oui. Then next one, only the French word here. The next one. Le reçu.
Reçu.
Then
repeat.
Not repeat, receipt. R-E-C-E-I-P-T. Okay, mute. Okay, mute everyone. Yes, we'll practice a few more times and after that I will call. Okay, everyone say, please do practice. Repeat after me. Le garçon. Repeat after me. Le garçon. Le reçu. La leçon. Ça va. See, if you don't practice now, when I call your name to read, you won't be able to read it. So please do practice. Hamdan, repeat after me. Le garçon. Le reçu. La leçon. Ça va. Français. Le garçon. Le reçu. La leçon. Ça va. Français. Once again. Le garçon. Le reçu. La leçon. Ça va. Français. Oui, d'accord. Ananya, unmute and read. Ananya, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
Oui, madame.
D'accord, read. Read, dear.
Le garçon. Le.
See the spelling and try to read. R-E-C-E-U. So how will you read? R-E-C-E-U. Resume.
Resume.
Then next word. L-A. L-A. How will you read? L-A.
Le.
No. L-A. La.
La.
Then L-E-C-O-N. N will be silent. So now how will you read? Lesson.
Lesson.
Then next one. This word you already know. The next word.
Se.
Ça va.
Ça va.
Ça va.
Ça va.
Then last one. How will you read the last word? Français. We read once again. Read once again, Ananya, from the beginning. Please wait, Rukma. Ananya, yes, read.
Le garçon.
Le garçon.
Le garçon.
Oui, then. Le reçu.
Le reçu.
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 Then. La leçon. Then.
Ça va. Ça va.
Français.
Se.
Good. Sia, dear, you are writing with pen. Please don't use pen now. You write with pencil, okay? Sia. Then next is we.
Ma'am, can I am writing
Please
pencil.
mute. Please mute. Yeah, mute everyone.
Ma'am, can I use pencil? But it's a model of pencil.
Okay, mute everyone. Mute. Alna, read. Alna, unmute and read.
Yes, ma'am. Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Le grasso.
Not grasso, garso.
Garso.
Then,
Boy.
only the French words, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Le
rexo.
Le reçu.
Le reçu.
Then la leçon. Then ça va.
Ça va. Okay. Ça va.
Then français.
Français.
Oui. Prithvi, unmute and read. Alna, please do practice
Merci,
more.
madame.
Bia, menu. Prithvi, unmute and read.
Le garçon.
Oui.
Oui, madame. Le garçon. Le reçu. La leçon. Ça va. Français. French.
Très bien, Prithvi. Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Johan.
Ma'am, Alvin.
Johan, read.
Le garçon.
Le, L-E. Dear children, listen here. Le will, L-E will be le and L-A will be la. Le and la.
Le garçon. Boy. Le reçu. Respect. Le leçon.
La leçon.
La leçon. Listen. Ça va. Okay, fine. Français.
Très bien, Johan. Très bien, Johan. Ensuite, c'est Elvin, yes, Elvin, read. Don't unmute and call your names because there are total 39 students. How about 39 students is going to unmute and tell them, ma'am, call me like that. So please don't do that. Yeah, Elvin, read.
Lizard, song. Boy. Lilasiu. Receipt.
Yes.
Lilason.
La lesson. Elvin, la lesson.
Lesson. Tava. Okay, fine. Français, French.
Très bien, Elvin, très bien. Ensuite, say, Rukma, yes, read.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bia, how will you say thank you, ma'am, in French, Elvin? How will you say thank you, ma'am, in French, Elvin?
Merci, madame.
Merci, oui, merci,
Merci,
madame.
madame.
Bienvenue, dear. Rukma, read.
Le garçon, le reçu, la leçon.
Not leçon, lesson.
Leçon.
No, dear, not leçon, lesson.
Leçon.
Oui.
Okay, fine.
Français.
Français.
Not Francais, Français. F-R-A-N. A-N when comes in French, pronunciation will be O. A-N when comes, pronunciation will be O. Nasal O sound. Français.
Français.
D'accord. Ensuite, say Ivania.
Yes,
Ivania. Oui, read.
Le garçon.
Oui. Reçu.
La maison. Savoir.
Oui. Français. Français. Très bien, très bien. Now everyone please do repeat after me. Le garçon.
Le garçon.
Le reçu. La leçon. Ça va. Français. Dear children, I'll be sending the audio clip and also the words in your WhatsApp group. Please do read and practice along with that. And one more thing, everyone, you must write and study these words. Everyone write and study these words. Spellings also you have to learn and meanings also you have to learn. Only 5 words we are learning in a week, right? In a week, we are only learning 5 words. So please do learn those words properly. Okay? Okay, I'm going to unmute everyone. We are going to see in the next class. Au revoir.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye.